seems like we're clipping it ½ inch too far back. There we go. Well, I think one of the things I'm trying to prove with this lesson is that the 54 is the right club for this shot. But a lot of times until you show the person learning that the 60 isn't always the best choice.
Yeah, I don't chip with this one.
Well, my point is with this one is this should be consistently worse than the 54. Your dispersion should be worse because it's a harder shot, and you're hitting it off a super tight lie on some super sticky Bermuda. So if you're not clipping it perfectly, this will expose you. And that's kind of what we can see. There we go. Yeah, the distance on that was really good. So, I mean, it's good to see that with the 60, you can almost hit the exact same shot as with the 54, but you just got to manipulate things with your stance, where you put the ball. There we go. But that's going to have a lot more spin, so that's going to hit this hill and just stop. Okay, a couple more, and then we'll call it. Okay, so try on this. Yeah, a little better, but you see how much spin that thing had coming off? You could see that thing rotating in the air. Hey, and tell him I had nothing to do with it. I told Keith. Yeah. I hate that guy.
I know.
Not Keith, the other guy. I think you're clipping these just as well as with your 54, but we're seeing where the 60 is. You're going to be short, and you're carrying a little bit further with the 54, but this was kind of my point on why the 54 is a better club from this position. There we go. But even then you carry, what? Keith paid for him. All right, one more. We'll call it, and we'll go hit the putting green.